So the price of this one is almost 50% less than the Dynaflex Ultra. What's up everyone? In this video we're going to use Dynaflex 230 DAP cedar tan to fill in the gaps and make this roof that we built on top of our pergola waterproof. I'm going to show you the different colors that we use and the differences between this and the more expensive Dynaflex Ultra. We're also going to show you how to use the tool to get this nice and clean and save your silicone so it lasts longer. Stay tuned for the whole video. Alright, so we're under our pergola and you guys can see that we did do a pretty good job on the roof. Unfortunately, there's a little gap. So for these gaps, we're going to add the silicone, and tomorrow's raining, so we're going to test it out to see if it's actually going to leak. Even though on these areas, you kind of can't see them when you go off on the side, you can see little dips. So basically, we're going to apply silicone bead all across every single one of them. We are using Dynaflex 230 in this project, but we have another option. This is the Dynaflex Ultra DAP brown silicone. This one is rain and paintable in about 1 hour. It's completely weather resistant. It's going to remain this color forever. It's not going to fade to UV. Resists dirt buildup, crack proof, permanently flexible, and it's a strong adhesion. And it comes in brown, black, clear, white, beige, and light gray. And these ones come in black, brown, cedar tan, gray, almond clear, and white. So the price of this one is almost 50% less than the Dynaflex Ultra. So the question here is, how weather resistant and flexible and durable do you need your materials? For more applications, the 230 will work. So we're gonna get the 230. I think it's a good color choice. All right, so this is cedar tan. I'm just gonna grab our knife, and over here you're gonna know that they have little notches, 1/8, 1/4, 5/16. And we are going to probably cut it at a 1/4. All right, and there we go. And always cut on an angle. That way when you're spreading it, it does a nice trail. In addition, we got this little gadget right here. This is what's gonna give us that extra nice and smooth edge, and this is gonna press it in between the joints. Alright, so let's go up on the roof and spread this. So here's what it looks like when we did a few beads with our finger. And then we went in between all the seams, and because we used some older wood, some of them had holes in them from other drills, so we basically just filled those in as well. So here's how to do it. Basically align the bottom part, right, with the seam of the board, and then just gently press until the bead of caulking comes off. And then you can go down, 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 down. There we go, and it's gonna snap back into place. And again, you can go over it if it's a thicker hole. See that? And you can just continue, continue, continue all the way till the end. Now, where it would be an issue is with the cleanliness of this. Right? Again, because like I said, I'm on the roof. No one's gonna see this. I can go as crazy and messy as I want, as long as I cover the holes. All right, so that's our finger, and then we did 2 more beads, and now we're gonna press it in. Now you can see that that bead didn't go quite in, so let's see if we can make it go in with this. Now this essentially makes it go right in. You see that? And it cleans off the excess so you can reuse it somewhere else. All right, and then of course the excess, you're gonna have to smear it with your finger. But the excess is great for all these occasional screws that we may have. And of course there's going to be an additional cleanup over top to collect all the excess once again. Now, do I recommend this tool? I do. It's kind of one of those one-use only tools in my opinion. Just cleaning it, it's just going to take longer than it's worth, and it's so inexpensive to buy. All right, so first tube is done, and here's how much I got done. So I would say 60 feet per tube. So we're definitely going to need more tube. All right, so this is after the whole roof is done. And you can see that everything is super nicely insulated. It ended up taking 5 tubes instead of 2 like I thought. And this is the top, that everything is super nicely done. And that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.